Hello guys, today I want to unbox the package that I lately got at Amazon, and I've got Canon SL2. So package arrived here. Let's open it. In Europe it's called Canon 200D. So here is the box and here it is. Here is the body. I've got it on Amazon with small bundle. I mean few things for free. So I've got some cloth, a SanDisk Ultra high speed card with 64 gigabytes. So it's much, as I don't have such card yet. My biggest is 32. So this is nice, and I like SanDisk and Canon body, which is EOS 200D. I've got only body because lenses I already have, so that's why. And it's a black one. This is, they say, entry-level camera, but it is good for YouTube and vlogging and pictures, and also can be in general. It's updated version. Wait, here on the box it says this things. If you want, you can read. And here it's come with strap, battery charger, battery pack. So let's take it out. So I open here. Here are some instructions, and here is the book. Oh, but it's in English. Yeah, it's in many languages. And here book further. And here we have cable to charger. A strap, Canon strap. What else? Charger. Like so. And here is the battery. Let's see. Comes with some stuff that it's removed. It looks different than one in Canon T4i, slightly different. And camera body came packed like so. So let's take it off. It's also in this thing. In the dust bag, camera dust bag. So the body looks like this. Here is the body. Here is the microphone, no, flash microphone mount. Here is the Wi-Fi button. It's really small. I can show you my Canon G7X, so it's almost the same width. No, it's a little smaller Canon G7X, but it's like so in comparison. Okay, and it's kind of the same head. So manual buttons looks like so. Here is the mic input. It looks like so. And here we have the back view, dial, buttons, and this one we open like so. And we have the LCD screen, which is it's nice and clear. So let's put the battery inside. In different models they are on the side, which is a little weird in this one. But oh well. Let's put the battery inside. And let's put card inside. Like so. And now it would be nice to put less, like pixel less. Here is my, it's flashy. So I choose Sigma lens, let's put it. Here is the body, how it looks. So it looks like this. And I put Sigma 30 millimeters. Let's see. Okay. Now that Sigma is heavier than this body. And let's turn it on. So we turn it on here. Oh, I have to set up time and date, as you can see. Okay, now it's showing this. Here's how it looks mini. Wow, I really like it. I really like that zoom. Not zoom. I really like the 2 point something that is changing fast. I can sample shot. So yeah, I will insert the sample video here, and so I'm trying to do the test of my new camera, which is Canon SL2, and hello, and here I am with the new camera. So image looks like this. I'm using the same lens, which is Canon 17 to 40 millimeters, and as you can see, I really like video, and it has tracking on. And here is my other friend. Let's see. So it's now focusing on him. And now I touch screen and it's focus on me. Second friend, and now let's see. Will it focus? Yes. And now on me. And now on them. Now on me. Hi. Okay, so this is how the video looks like. Just here. as you can see, I touch now this one and it focuses on him, and then this one and it focuses on this one. That's cute. And if you like such videos, then give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos, and also hit the notification button to be notified when I upload. So see you in the next one. Bye.